How to use EOMONTH formula in Excel. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use EOMONTH formula in Excel. The EOMONTH function in Excel calculates the last day of the month based on a specific start date and a number of months to add or subtract. Here's how you can do that. First of all, open your Excel application on your device. And here make sure you are ready with your data. Here, if you want to find the end of the month of this particular date, then first of all you will need to select the cell. There you will need to type equals to sign, then EOMONTH, select this formula, press on tab key of your keyboard, and then now you will need to choose the start date. Click on the date cell from the left side, put a comma, and then select a month. If you want to find out the end of this current month, then you will need to enter 0. Now after that, close the bracket. Press on enter and this will give you the end of the month of this specific date. Now you can simply select the cell and drag it down. You can change the number of months here. If you want to add it, you will need to enter the positive number, and if you want to subtract, you will need to put a negative number. Here, if you want to find the last day of 4 years after the specific date, then you will need to simply replace this 0 with 4. After that, press on enter. Now this will show you the last day of the month 4 years after this specific date. Now you can simply select the cell and drag it down to apply it to all. So by following the steps, you should be able to use EOMONTH formula in Excel. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.